The Alvarez-Chavez Jr. fight will be at the new T-Mobile Arena in Las Vegas. The fight will be on May 6 during the Cinco de Mayo weekend. I love fighting in Las Vegas, where the most important fights have historically been. And I'm very happy to be back at the T-Mobile Arena for this huge event on Cinco de Mayo weekend. I know that people from all over the world, America, obviously Mexico, and everywhere else will attend to witness a great show. I'm happy to return to Las Vegas, where I have many important battles in the ring. Las Vegas is the home of boxing. Who do you think will win this fight? Comment below.